exciting adventure's going to be.
Shall we have a peek and see? Bye. Morning!
Achoo! Achoo!
You see?
I see!
It's a disaster, a tragedy, a complete catastrophe.
Well, first we have to figure out what's wrong with Squeezy. Ready for your explanation, Squeezy? 2 ears. 1, 2, check. He's definitely got 2 ears. Eyes, check, check. 2 of those, too. Nose. Red, raw, runny. I'm afraid it's a big case of majorly archie-itis. In other words, he's got a cold, which means he's full of germs. First thing we have to do is wash our hands and get rid of all the germs.
Washing my hands. Washing my hands.
Right, now that we've washed our hands, it's time for us to help Squeezy Sneezy to recover from his cold. Let's do it.
I'm waking up,
Secret sound cupboard.
breathing in clean.
Well, hello everyone, and welcome to the Secret Sound. Are you ready for today's round? A round of Secret Sound.
We're always ready to play. I've got my listening ears on. Have you?
Check 2, check 1.
Let's get this game started. Listen up, everybody.
He's so stupid!
Oh, I know.
It's a rocket ship blasting off.
No, it's a...
Bye.
Let me think.
Achoo, achoo, achoo. Achoo, achoo, achoo.
Stop! Can't you see what's happening? Every time Buzz moves away, the sneezing stops.
Squeezy's allergic to... Achoo, achoo, achoo. Oh, no. There's no cure for that.
Bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you. I think I better get rid of this.
He's so stupid!